What if I told you there's a single plant that you can grow in your garden that will provide amazing flavour for your foods, it'll help soothe your body, and it will help to keep the bugs away. And it's one of the easiest plants that you'll ever grow. It's called lemongrass. This is a fabulous tropical grass that can be used and beneficial in so many ways. In Thailand here, it's used in soups, salad, and in sausages, as well as curries and other fabulous dishes. It's also used to make a tea and a really amazingly refreshing cold drink that we make here at Suan Sook Homestay. I'll tell you a bit more about this in a minute. It's also got great medicinal properties. It's an antioxidant, it can be an anti-inflammatory, it's a natural diuretic, and it also stimulates gut enzymes to help your digestive system. And it also reduces gas. And there's two different types of lemongrass. There's this type here, which is the edible type, and there's another one we've got growing back here that is for the oils and for the scent, which is used to make the natural citronella bug sprays. But the one you buy typically at the supermarket will be this edible variety. It is a tropical plant, but it can be grown in cooler climates. It's happy either in the ground or in a pot, and so if you're in a cooler climate, you can try growing it in a pot and moving it in the wintertime indoors or somewhere it's not going to get affected by the frost, because it won't like the frost. And because it's a grass, it's really easy to grow and really easy to propagate. I've just pulled these up as part of one of the clumps. I've taken it off. We'll divide it into smaller pieces that we can then root, or you can buy it more conveniently just at your local Asian food market. Here in Thailand, it's at every market, but I'm sure you can find it in Asian supermarkets all around. And in tropical climates like we have here in northern Thailand, we can plant it all year round. But if you're in a cooler climate, a more temperate climate, plant it in the spring or early in the summer. You'll probably get a good crop off it in 4 to 6 months. But it is a perennial, so if you can move it inside, if you're in a cooler climate, winter it inside, and then pop it back out when the temperatures are getting warmer again. And it does like full sun and good soil. It is also fabulous to grow with other plants. You can put it in your vegetable garden. I'm going to plant some of this along the side of our vegetable garden. I'm also going to plant some of it around some of our fruit trees here in the garden. So my plan is to circle it around some of the fruit trees and then put also a circle of comfrey around as well. And this is going to mean I'm going to have less grass to mow, which is always a good thing, especially if we're planting something edible and something that's beneficial for our garden. So yeah, you can companion plant it with fruit trees, with flowering plants. You can companion plant it with your tomatoes and cucumbers and peppers and other vegetables in your vegetable garden. It's going to help keep those bugs away. And these ones I've harvested from a plant that's about a year old. You've got to wait till the clump is well established before you start breaking it off, but you can easily take 10 or 20% off a clump without hurting it. Alternatively, you can take the whole clump up and divide it, use some for cooking and put some back in the ground once it's rooted. I'll make another video showing you how we do this. Or you can simply harvest it as needed by taking off a single piece for a salad that you're making or a curry that you're cooking. We'll be making another video shortly about how we use lemongrass, including my favourite way to consume this wonderful flavour. We like to make a cold drink with it that is incredibly refreshing and totally sugar-free. So stay tuned for that. If you'd like to learn more about what we do with other plants that are beneficial companion plants in our garden, please check out this video next. Thanks very much for watching.